glamping. Now repeat after me. Glamping, glamping, glamping. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Glamping is a combination of glamorous and camping, referring to a luxurious style of camping where traditional elements like tents are combined with modern amenities such as electricity, comfortable bedding, and sometimes even air conditioning. Think of it like this. Glamping allows you to experience the outdoors without giving up the comforts of home, camping with a bit of style. In a sentence, we went glamping last weekend and stayed in a beautiful tent with a king-sized bed and hot shower. Here, glamping offers a more luxurious camping experience. Let's try another example. Glamping has become a popular trend for people who want to enjoy nature without roughing it. Some related terms are luxury camping, camping with upscale facilities and services, comfortable outdoor stay, an outdoor experience with modern conveniences. Antonyms. The opposite of glamping would be rough camping, camping with no amenities, relying on basic survival skills. Primitive camping, a no-frills traditional camping experience. Part of speech. Glamping is a noun, referring to a luxurious form of camping. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.